Look here. Yesterday's notes are not updated for you. Today I'll update that notes. Let me repeat what has been happened. The process of interlinking two classes with extension keyword. The process of interlinking two classes with extensive keyword and the members of one class available to another class. The concept we call it as inheritance process. This inheritance process we can call it as parent-child relation, you can say. In this, one class is parent, one class is child. Always the members of parent class are available to child, but child members are not available to parent. This point you should remember. In this diagrammatic representation, I drawn one arrow down. This indicates that all the members of class A are available to class B. All the members of class A are available to class B. Class B, by terminology, we call it a child class or subclass, or you can say derived class. In inheritance process, we always create object for child class only. In inheritance process, if we create object for child class, then the object will hold all the members of parent and child. Syntactical representation is class A, class B. Class B extends from class A. Yesterday I took 3 cases. Among the 2 cases I written a program to you. Let me repeat case 2 once again. Because of time I written very fastly there. First, variables and methods from the parent class. All instance variables and instance methods from the parent class will get the memory within the child class object. All instance variables, instance methods from the parent class will get the memory within the child class object, can be accessed with the child class object name. All static variables and static methods of parent class are available to child class and can be accessed with child class name. This one yesterday I took one program, one diagram has been drawn here. So what you educated through this diagram is, sir, whenever I created object for B, that is A and B, parent-child relation, I am creating object for child now. B, OB equal to new B. But parent loaded, child loaded. Why I done like all in a single color means, according to execution engine, it looks B as a single component where parent members are also available. That is a visible there. So for parent and child, only one object created. That is 0x3. One object which is holding all the members of parent and all the members of the child. So this is the diagrammatic yesterday. Whenever you want to call a static member of parent class, you can call with the child class name. So yesterday I written this program, demo inheritance 1, application 1, demo inheritance 1. This is class A. So this is class B. This is demo inheritance 1. I take it. Class A is holding one instance variable, one static variable, one instance method, static method. From B class you had instance variable, static variable, instance method, static method. B extended from A. We are creating object for child class. So whenever you want to read A, you are accessing the object of child and child class name here B dot B, and this is object of child and so on. So this is the first program you had it. After this one, I took case 2, I taken. In case 2 now here. 2 points you should remember that will help you. In inheritance process, the note. In inheritance process, while object creation, parent class is loaded onto method area first. Parent class loaded and the child class is loaded. Hierarchy, first parent class will come, then child class will come. While the object creation, parent class instance members will get the memory first, and then child class instance members will get the memory, and then child class instance members will get the memory. After that, I concentrated on constructors. So let me explain this constructors once. Suppose if you have one 0 parameter constructor in the parent, parent class. So rough diagram anyway. So parent child is there. One parent. I took one P class I taken. Parent class, one class. Parent class is one having one method known as, constructor known as P class. I had one child class too. Child class constructor, class. Here to here we have extensive loading. Then we are creating object for child here. Child class OB equal to new child class. Right. Now we are having child class constructor call. This is constructor. We are calling child class constructor call. So we are calling constructor from the child. This is child class constructor. Sir, we are calling this constructor. Child class constructor will come for execution. Child class constructor is coming for execution. This is one only total. I made one statement yesterday. 0 parameter constructor from the parent class or super class. When we have 0 parameter constructor in parent class or super class, then the compiler at the compilation stage will add a super of to the child class constructor. So here super of already added by the compiler. Super of already added by the compiler. Compiler added. This one added by compiler. Added by compiler. So below this we had a message. System.out some message. Now, in the process of executing child class constructor, super off is executed. When super off is executed, this is parent class constructor call. So child class constructor is calling parent class constructor for execution. Now the parent class constructor is coming. Parent class constructor is coming. Child class constructor calling parent class constructor. Now the parent class constructor is executed. Some message. So this output will come out. After this output, this constructor will be destroyed. Control will come down. This message will come down. Then output. This will be destroyed. Then it comes to main. So what we observe from this diagram now? Which constructor is coming for execution first? Child class constructor. Child class constructor will call parent class constructor by using super off. So who added super off here now? Compiler added super off. If it is zero parameter constructor. All of you clear about this point? Right, okay. Suppose if it is parameterized constructor. So when it is parameterized constructor, then I made a statement. When we have parameterized constructor in parent class or super class, then we must add super off. We means developer must add super off to the child class constructor to pass the parameters. All have understood this paragraph? Diagram not needed, I think, anyway. Child class constructor will come. It passes the parameter to parent class constructor by using super off. Here super off is added by the programmer. We are adding the super off. Same program I written. This is parent class constructor. This parent class constructor with parameter. Child class constructor with parameter. While object creation, we are calling child class constructor call. This child class constructor will take two parameters, x and y, and one parameter I'll pass to parent class. So this is parent class constructor call. All of you clear about this? Right. That is the constructors, case 2. This is constructor part. Now we are going for case 3, make it. For today's class, blocks from the parent class or super class. If I have blocks, what happen? Blocks from the parent class or super class. If I have some blocks in parent, what happen? If I have some blocks in child, what happen? See that? I'll take a program once. So application inheritance 4. Application inheritance 4. Same name I am taking, P class and C class. So package always I'll take P1 and one more package. It is P2. Under P1, same name I am taking, P class. P class. Under P1, I am taking C class. So C class extends from P class. But you have to write blocks here. Say the parent class, I am taking one static block, I am taking one instance block. So parent class is static block. Parent class static block. Parent class instance block. I had one static block, instance block here. Child class static block. So 2 blocks in parent class and 2 blocks in child class. Now create object anyway. Demo inheritance 4. Demo inheritance 4. Creating object for child. Parent class. Here you have to create object for child. Child class not equal to new child class. You know the nature of blocks. Blocks are executed automatically without calling them. Static block executes only once with highest priority when the class is used for the first time. Instance block is executed while object creation and executes for all multiple object creations. As a theoretical you had it. If you run it, so first which blocks are executed now? Static blocks, then instance blocks. Why means it? According to inheritance process, parent child looks like a single component only. In that class level, 2 statics are highest priority. While object creation, 2 instances will be executed. The statement here. In inheritance process, all static blocks from parent class and child class are executed first, then instance blocks are executed. Make a statement. In inheritance process, while object creation all static blocks from parent class and child class are executed first. In inheritance process, while object creation, all static blocks from parent class and child class are executed first. Then all instance blocks are executed. In inheritance process, while object creation, all static blocks from parent class and child class are executed first. Then all instance blocks are executed. Means highest priority for static blocks, then only instance blocks. Actually, that is one statement only. We never use in our programmatical form. Okay, right. So example, same. I took P1. Application inheritance for under P1 P class dot Java under P1 C class dot Java under P2 demo inheritance 4 dot Java the main class. So finally, what is the discussion by yesterday and today is, we are trying to interlink two classes. We are trying to interlink. Summary, I'll make it once. Right. Overall, how you should remember means, suppose, sir, I have one class here. The construction has been completed, where some parent class I am calling. Here some variables will be there. One is static variable and non-static variable. Static and non-static. Methods are available, same. Static and non-static. Constructors are available. Constructors only one type, that is non-static. So blocks are available. Static and non-static. Static and non-static. Then we linked this class to one more class. We are trying to link to one child class. We are trying to create object for child. We are creating object for child. So when you are creating object for child, what happened now? Sir, all instance variables, non-static variable, nothing but instance variable, non-static method, instance variables, instance methods, static variables, static methods are available to child. How they are available? Yesterday, instance variable, instance method will get the memory within the object of a child. Static variable, static method can be accessed by the child class directly because of extensive keyword. Today, constructors, if they are available in the parent, if it is a zero parameter constructor, compiler will add one super after the constructor of a child. If it is a parameterized constructor, we must add a super after the constructor of a child. If the blocks are there, static blocks, all static blocks from parent to child executed first, then instance blocks are executed. Like this, review on the components available in the parent. That only first conceptual discussion. That only when we started, I took case 1, case 2, case 3. So now comes the concept known as overriding. Suppose if I have same method signature in parent and class, parent and child, make it star mark INT. Method overriding process. Method overriding process. the method with the same method signature, the method with the same method signature in parent class and child class. The method with the same method signature in parent class and child class. Then parent class method is replaced by child class method, replaced by child class method while object creation process. While object creation process. The method with the same method signature in parent class and child class. Then parent class method is replaced by child class method while object creation process is known as method overriding process. Method overriding process, or you can say method replacement process. Replacement process. Method overriding process, or you can say method replacement process, you can say. Method replacement process, you can say. Sir, same method signature means same method signature means same return type, same method name, same parameter list, same parameter type. Same method signature means return types will be same, method names will be same, parameter list will be same, parameter type also will be same. Okay. So here also three possibilities. Case 1. According to this diagram, methods are what? Variables are not methods. Blocks are not methods. Methods means how many types here now? Maybe static method, maybe non-static method, maybe non-static. These three only no methods. Yes or no? Consider also method only. So overriding means instance method overriding available or not, static method overriding available or not, constructor overriding available or not, you have to cross check. So instance method overriding process, instance method overriding process, static method overriding process, static method overriding process, constructor overriding process, constructor overriding process, instance method overriding process, static method overriding process, constructor overriding process. Instance method perform. We can perform instance method overriding process. we can perform instance method overriding process. Means you can take same instance method signature in parent and child and you can do. So we can perform instance method overriding processes. Right. Like this. These are all demo models only, conceptual demo models, not application. Application separate. Assignment and application, only concept. It takes 3 sessions. Yesterday 1 session, today Monday. By Monday, the inheritance flavor concept will be ended. Then only application will be started. That knowledge you have to apply somewhere. Okay, right. You should be alert. The reason you are entering into week 6, Monday. 6th week means 1.5 months almost. So from there, by 3 weeks, the course will come out. 3 weeks to 4 weeks, the course will come out without your knowledge. So the models are coming very fastly now. The reason, already class construction over already. Class already ready. With the class based only, integrations are going out. So application inheritance 5 I am taking. Application inheritance 5 I am taking. Package P1. Again I am taking package P2. Under P1, again I am taking P class. C class. Extends from P class. So in this parent class, I will take one method. Public float calculate of int x comma float y. I will take it. One method I take it. Same method you must take in the child also. Is override. Same method must be in the child also. Same method signature in parent and child. That only concept of override. In parent class, some system dot out dot println. I will do some addition operation. I will do. Some addition operation I will do. RETUR written x plus y. This x plus y will become float only. So one float is there, it converts into float. So here I will do multiplication operation I will do from child. So this is child class. Multiplication I will do into. This is parent class addition. There the body is addition operation. Here the body is a multiplication operation. Same method available here and here. Okay, right. Now go for main class. That is definition. Same method signature in parent and child. Then while object creation, parent method will be replaced with the child. That I am going to show you. Okay. Under P2, I will take demo. Inheritance 5 I will take. So import p1 dot start, import java dot util. I'm using scanner anyway. Scanner yes is equal to new scanner of system.in yes dot close. So enter the value for x, enter the value for y. System.out.println, enter int value for x. X is integer now. Int x is equal to yes dot next int. So system.out.println, enter float value for y. So float y is equal to yes dot next float. In inheritance process, you have to create object for child only you should create. Suppose your constructor call is there, but if constructors are not available in the classes, what happens? If constructor not available in the class, if you try to call the constructor, what happens? What constructor will come? Default constructor will come. Here, default constructor will come in the child. Default constructor will come in the parent also. Now, float result will come if you call the method. Hoping not to calculate x and y. Because I can call only one method. Both are having same method. So display it. System.out.println. So result. So some result is equal to res. So let me run this program and let me explain that program with a diagram. You will get a clarity. Now run it. Enter the int value. Enter int value for x. Enter float value for y. 2.45. 23.4. Child class multiplication is coming. So child class body, child class only executed, parent class not executed. Okay, right. This I'll explain it why child class only came. So example program, project name, application, inheritance by P1 is equal to parent class dot Java, P1 is equal to child class dot Java, P2 is equal to demo inheritance file dot Java and main class. So the output is coming from the child. Sir, why the output is coming from child? I want to know, sir. Now see, observe it for 5 minutes. Execution flow of the above program. Execution flow of above program. Demonstrating overriding anyway. How many class files available here? Sir, one class file is parent class dot class file, child class dot class file, and one more is demo inheritance file dot class file. This is one main class. Now look here. So 3.class files came whenever we saved the program with application inheritance file. After compilation, 3 dot class files came. Parent class dot class file, child class dot class file, demo inheritance file dot class file, the main class. So these are the bytecodes generated. Bytecode. We are executing main only. Your execution controls will load main class will load it. Method area where classes are loaded. Heap area where objects are created. Java stack area where methods are executed. Method area, heap area, Java stack area. The main class will be loaded, execution engine will come, and main method will come for execution here. Main method will come for execution here. Main method will come for execution. So scanner anyway, scanner yes is equal to 0x1 or 2. This is scanner object. Reading x and y, sir, x is equal to 12 and some y is equal to, I read some data, 23.45. So one is int value, one is a float value. After this is completed here, x, y, creating object for child. Child class will be new child class. Same like yesterday. In the process of creating object for child class, parent class loads first, then child class loads. Sir, parent class is loaded first. Parent class is loaded. Parent class is loaded. Parent class is having method load, calculate x comma y. Some data type is there anyway. X comma y. Sir, this method is instance method. No memory here. Then parent class will be loaded. Now child class will be loaded. Here to here we have extends. There is a link between them. Extends. Extends. Here same method is there here. Float, calculate of x comma y. It's also instance only. Now these two are looking like a single component. Looks like a single component. Now once the loading has been completed, object declaration means memory. Okay, right? Before drawing the diagram, 2 minutes. Suppose this is your folder now, 7 p.m. something. I'll create one file here. Some file I will create. Text file. core Java file I create. CJ I created. Now the same here, I'll take one more text file. I'll create CJ I create. What will come now? So already the existing is coming. There is already a file with the same name in same location. If not, I'll create one file in E drive directly, not E drive, some other location. Again, I forget it where it is. 7 p.m. Okay, here C is there. I'll go with 7 a.m. I'll go. I'll create one file again. CJ I will create. After that, I'll cut this. I'll cut it. I'll paste in the 7 p.m. CJ is there now. I'm pasting. What happened now? Option is coming on now. Replace. Means already there if you want to replace or if you want to skip it. So already there means if you try to load it, it will ask for replace or if you want to skip it. According to OS this is. Sir, according to object what happens sir? See. Now object creation starts. Object creation starts. According to inheritance process, while object creation, parent class instance member has to get the memory first. That is a rule. So parent class instance member will come. Means this float calculate of int x comma float y will get the memory. So first you get the memory. Parent class instance member got the memory. This is parent class method body. Okay. After this parent class instance method got the memory, now it has to take the instance method from the child. Whenever it is taking the instance method from the child, already same method available. When the same method available, it says, I will override it says. Override means I will replace. Suddenly replacing, suddenly overriding. I'll replace because same thing is there now. Same method only there. How it is there? Float. I'll replace with the float. Calculate. I'll replace with the calculate. Int x. I'll replace with the int x. I'll replace float y. I will replace. So here, child class method body. Total I am replacing or not? Have you observed this? So total replacement is going to happen. That is known as replacement. So this has been replaced with plus one. So parent class method replaced with child. That only overriding. Same method signature in parent and child. Same method signature in parent and child. Then while object creation means giving the memory. While object creation, parent class method replaced by child class method. We call it as method overriding, or you can say method replacement. You can say method replacement. So how many methods are available in the object now? Only one method available in the object. Yes or no now? Only one method. That method also parent method or child method or child method. So whenever I call the method here, from here, whenever I say float res is equal to, if I say op dot calculate of x comma y, if I say, that method will come for execution. Child class method only will come for execution. Parent class method did not get the memory. Memory came also overridden. It has been overridden. So this method will come for execution. Parent class method will come. Sorry, child class method will come. Float calculate of int x comma float y. Here we had one message, no, system.out.println. One message is there, and here written return return x into y is there. My intention, child class method only executed here. This is 4 only, no? Same 4 only. Here I drawn the arrow, but only how to understand this. So this concept we call it as method overriding. Method overriding process. Sir, where we use this method of overriding process? Very popular. Actually. For you, software updates are there for you. Old version you are going to replace with new version. That is overriding process only. Any new version comes, you will update. Update means old one replaces with new one. In that process, name will be same, but performance changes. Body changes. Hope you understood. Instance method overriding process. Right, here one question. Sir, if I want to call parent class method, anyway parent class method overriding. Sir, in overriding process, can I call parent class method? Can I call parent class method in overriding process? Make it FAQ. Can we execute parent class method in method overriding process? Can we execute parent class method in method overriding process? Can we execute parent class method in method overriding process? Overriding means replacing, but even then can I execute it? Answer is yes. Yes, we can execute. We can execute parent class method in method overriding process. In method overriding process by declaring super keyword, by declaring super keyword in child class method. Yes, we can execute parent class method in method overriding process by declaring super keyword in child class method to call parent class method. Super means constructor. Whenever you write super, that is constructor call. Whenever you write normal super, which is method call. Super means parent class method call. Super off means parent class constructor call. That's the difference. If you want to call method from parent, super. If you want to call constructor from parent, super off. What is the difference between what is the difference between super off and super? So whenever I want to call constructor from the parent class, super off. Whenever I want to call method from parent class, super. Same program I'll recopy because answer is going to be changing. Two methods will run. I want to copy the program separately to educate it. So application inheritance 6 I am taking. Application inheritance 6 I am taking. The same program. Let's see that. Parent class, child class, demo inheritance 6. Parent class method. In the child class now, here I am writing here. Super dot. Don't write super off. Super dot calculate of x and y. This is parent class method call. Anyway, child class is coming for execution. The child class will call if you run it, both answers will be. 1 minute. Super dot calculate, it will return the value, yes or no? Float RES, it returns the value. System dot out dot print ln result is equal to RES. Because super dot calculate will return the value. Some 12 and 34.34. Parent class addition is coming, child class multiplication. Both methods are running. Interview question. Can we access parent class method in overriding process? Overriding means already replaced. Overriding process. Answer is yes. By using which keyword now? Super. So separate I am copying it because here the output is only child, but your answer is parent and child, but names are same. Now look here. Here one diagram should come anyway. But the diagram will write in Monday. Okay, right. Diagram is already memory transfer parent class. Already parent class method got the memory. And you replaced. Again, when you are calling the parent class method, how it executes. Memory related, one question is there, you answer it. But I'll draw the diagram that on Monday to you. Take a break because I must load huge notes to you. I'll load it. I'll speak to online people. Any doubt is there. We'll take a break. So Monday onwards again I'll increase the level and again next week also for 6 days I think. So I'll increase the execution time. I'll increase it next week because 6th week I'm increasing execution time. I'll increase means Daily I'm running 1 hour 25 minutes or 1 hour 20 minutes. I'll make that to 1 hour 40 to 45 minutes I'll make. So I'll increase the level income in the next week. Right? Take a break. Thank you very much for today.